I'm Kezzia. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this gorgeous straight wig. This wig is from Angie Queen. This wig is absolutely stunning, you guys. If you want to know more details about this unit, continue watching. I have here the 4x4 Malaysian straight 150 density wig. I have here the 26 inches. I did measure it because it was seeming a little short to me, but maybe that's just because I've been like wearing like really long 26 inches. But this one is definitely just a true 26-inch wig, and I'm actually really loving this wig. Like, intensely loving it. The unit is super soft. When I got it out of the package, I knew that it was going to be good quality. I could feel that it was like a lot softer than some of the other wigs that I had received around the same time. Just comparing them just off of feel already in the beginning, I knew right away that it was going to be good hair. The knots lifted really nicely on the unit, and I actually had a little whoopsie moment somewhere here. Somewhere here I bleached, oh yeah, here. We'll go in and dye that part black again. I don't even know how that part happened there, but the hair is so soft, you guys. Like, when I tell you like soft, it's like silk. It's just glides through. I don't even feel like any effort for it gliding through. Like, I almost don't even feel the hair, how soft it is running it through my hands. And yeah, the density is really good on this straight wig. I'm really pleased with it. I'm actually really in love with this company right now. I want to try all their different styles because she is cute. Like, she feels so soft, so gorgeous. There's absolutely no smell to the hair after being washed, and the closure looks really good. It is a 4x4, easy style. I just did some swoopty swoops there, nothing crazy. Of course, it is glueless, so the combs are attached. The cap fits me perfectly. It just feels flush to my head, but I'm not feeling any tracks or anything. Like, this hair is so silky, you guys. If you want that silky, smooth, low maintenance hair, this is it, you guys. I'm telling you, you saw how straight this wig got when I just blow dried it. It was ready to go, and I just roughly went over with the flat iron. Like, I did not do like really small sections. If I did, it would have gotten even straighter, but like, this Malaysian texture is absolutely stunning. Legit, I am so impressed with this wig. Oh my goodness, I love it. Can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder. I can't stop playing with it. Like, is that good? I would definitely recommend you guys checking them out. I don't have any products in the hair, and look at the nice luster of the wig. It is like a nice texture where it's like thicker. The hair strands are thicker, but also like so silky. Overall, like really high quality hair. And you know, the packaging wasn't all that. Like, it just came in a bag. Like, it didn't have anything fancy. But that just goes to show you guys, it's not always about the packaging. Sometimes companies will go overboard with the packaging, and it's like, are you trying to make up for something? Are you trying to make up for like crap hair? I don't know. But this is amazing, you guys. You need to check them out. Believe me, you will not be disappointed. I'm gonna leave all the information about Angie Queen in the description box for you guys if you want to check them out. I absolutely love this wig. Like, thick, bouncy, smooth. But before I go, I have to say that this wig is definitely Kaviar Kez approved. You definitely need to pick one up. You ain't gonna be mad. This is gonna be like your everyday wig for sure. Check them out. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.